Good morning, students. Last time we had finished up to interchanging simple and compound sentences. So let us start further from there. Carefully study the following examples. Simple, carefully climbing up the stairs, he knocked at the door. This is simple sentence. How to convert it into compound? He climbed up the stairs carefully and knocked at the door. The conjunction and is added between the sentence to separate two different clauses, right? He climbed up the stairs carefully and knocked at the door. So these two sentences are being joined by conjunction and, so it becomes compound sentence. Next one, in spite of driving fast, he was not driving rashly. He was driving fast, but he was not driving rashly. Now here but is added. Then again next one, but for your kind help, I would have missed the flight. You helped me kindly, or I would have missed the flight. Or is added. I liked him because of his innocence. I liked him for he was innocent, right? For is added. So now what are the rules to convert a simple sentence into a compound one? Mainly you have to add a conjunction to separate two different clauses. Let us study change a word or a phrase into a coordinate clause using a coordinate conjunction, right? A coordinating conjunction is to be added. Coordinating conjunctions are number 1 and 2, but 3 or 4. Number 1 and, but number 2 but, number 3 or is given, and number 4, that is there the number of the sentences. Number 4 for, so, right? These are the coordinating conjunctions used in the these sentences which you have just read. And other conjunctions belonging to the families of these 4, right? So underline these 2 points. They are very important. By adding a conjunction in between a simple sentence, you can convert it into a compound one. Now how to convert a compound sentence into a simple one? As we added a conjunction to make a simple sentence to make it compound, we have to remove the conjunction, right? Change the coordinate clause into a word or a phrase. That means you need to remove the coordinating conjunction in order to change it to simple. So now it is exercise 12. Change the following simple sentences into compound ones. Being satisfied with my progress, Papa bought me a new cricket kit. Being satisfied with my progress, Papa bought me a new cricket kit. Right? You have to convert this into compound one. So how will you do it? Papa was satisfied with my progress and bought me a new cricket kit. Right? Add and here. Subject is Papa, so take it further. Besides writing the screenplay, he directed the movie also. Right? So he not only wrote the screenplay but directed the movie also. Not only but also, that we are adding. Then next one is, in spite of losing the 2 openers early, our team put up a fighting total. So it will be, our team lost the 2 openers early, still it put up a fighting total. Number 4, with all her experience, she is not able to control the class. She is highly experienced, but she is not able to control the class. He became popular because of his politeness. He became popular for he was polite, or as he was polite. Number 6, you need to improve your voice control in order to win the competition. You need to improve your voice control or you will not be able to win the competition. Or is added. Number 7, you must control your diet to avoid putting on weight. You must control your diet or you will put on weight. Now 12 and 13, I'll focus it all together for the answer so that you can just note it down. Let us move on to exercise 13 further. Change the following compound sentences into simple ones. Now they have already given you a compound sentence, you have to make it simple. They have treated me unfairly, yet I have not complained. In spite of having been treated unfairly, I have not complained. The spring was late to arrive and the garden was wearing a deserted look. The spring being late to arrive, the garden was wearing a deserted look. We have removed the and here. यहाँ पे हमने yet remove किया है. We have removed the coordinating conjunctions which are present in the compound sentence to make it simple. I had not understood the lesson, so I requested the teacher to explain it again. Not having understood the lesson, I requested the teacher to explain it again. I had no money or I would have purchased that dress. I could not purchase that dress for want of money. The fox made several attempts, but he could not reach the grapes. In spite of making several attempts, the fox could not reach the grapes. This book is not beautifully printed, but is free from mistakes also. This book is not beautifully printed and free of mistakes. The highway is wide and well maintained, so it is easy to reach Shimla. The highway being wide and well maintained, it is easy to reach Shimla. Okay, now I'm focusing it for 2 to 3 seconds on the answer key. You can just have a note of that. You can pause the video here and write down the answers in your notebook so that you don't make any mistakes while writing. Otherwise, I have narrated all the answers in the video itself. Okay, now moving further, interchanging complex and compound sentences. Changing complex sentences to compound ones and compound to complex ones. Further, interchanging complex and compound sentences, carefully study the following examples. Although, this is a complex one, although Antarctica has a very cold climate, it has a wide variety of seabirds. To make it compound, Antarctic has a very cold climate, still it has a wide variety of seabirds. Then, if you are not sincere, nobody will trust you. Be sincere or nobody will trust you. That is compound. As soon as he gives an order, it is carried out. He gives an order and it is immediately carried out. So, to make complex into compound sentences, what changes we do? Change the subordinate clause into the coordinate clause using a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or for, so, etc. Compound sentence to complex sentence, how we do it? Change the coordinate clause into subordinate clause using a subordinating conjunction like that, who, which, if, although, etc. Right? So if you have a complex sentence, you want to convert it into compound sentence, what you do? You add a coordinating conjunction and make it a coordinate clause, both the parts of the sentence. And if you want to make a compound sentence to a complex one, you or add a phrase to make it a subordinate clause, right? And remove the conjunction. One example I'll explain you. Although Antarctica has a very cold climate, it has a wide variety of seabirds. So Antarctica has a very cold climate. It has a wide variety of seabirds. These are the two clauses in the sentence. अब उसको चेंज कैसे करेंगे? Although से हमने उसको subordinate बनाया है. And Antarctica has a very cold climate and it has a wide variety of seabirds. This is a subordinate clause. So we are converting into coordinate clauses by adding a coordinating conjunction. So how will we do it? Antarctica has a very cold climate. Still, it has a wide variety of seabirds. Now, still is a coordinating conjunction. If you remove still, you add although. And this becomes a subordinate clause. Antarctica has a very cold climate is the principal clause, and this becomes a subordinate clause. So it is a complex sentence. Now further, let us solve the exercises. Exercise 14, change the following complex into compound sentences. Number 1, when I looked up, I saw an old lady standing near me. When I looked up and saw an old lady standing near me. Although Mr. Kapoor was well off, he led a simple life. Mr. Kapoor was well off, still he led a simple life. If you spread rumors, you will be arrested. Don't spread rumors or you will be arrested. I switched on the TV so that I might get the latest news. I switched on the TV for I wanted to get the latest news. He missed the opportunity that he had got. He got an opportunity but missed it. If he had got the MRI test done, the problem would have been detected. He did not get the MRI test done or the problem would have been detected. Although she lost the match, she was not disgraced. She lost the match but she was not disgraced. Poor as he is not dishonest. He is poor but not dishonest, right? Moving on to the next exercise, exercise 15. Change the following compound sentences into complex ones. So let us do it. You have to supply the goods on credit or we will not place the order with you. So changing it into complex one, this is the compound word. Or is our coordinating conjunction. So we have to remove or from the sentence. If you do not supply the goods on credit, we will not place the order with you. It was a serious accident, but it did not cause much damage. Although it was a serious accident, it did not cause much damage. Nobody is going to hurt you, so don't be afraid. Don't be afraid because nobody is going to hurt you, because we added. Leave me alone and I will do the work much better. If you leave me alone, I will do the work much better. I used the nasal spray and I immediately felt relieved. As soon as I used the nasal spray, I felt relieved. He is over 70 and yet he is quite hale and hearty. Although he is over 70, he is quite hale and hearty. Our English teacher appears to be strict, but she is gentle at heart. Although our English teacher appears to be strict, she is gentle at heart. Let me finish the book and I shall return it. I shall return the book when I have finished it. Now the last one, transform the following sentences as directed. They have given you different instructions to change the sentences. The first one is everyone encouraged her to compete. Change into an interrogative sentence. So you have to make it a question. Didn't everybody encourage her to compete? Right? He is too polite to offend anybody. He is so polite that he does not offend anybody. That is removing to from the sentence. Very few cities are as polluted as Delhi. Use more. Delhi is more polluted than most other cities. How sad was the sight of the deserted city. Write as an assertive sentence. You have to make it as an assertive one. The sight of the deserted city was very sad. He succeeded in everything that he attempted. Write as a negative sentence. Didn't he succeed in everything that he attempted? She is undoubtedly a competent worker. Write as a complex sentence. There is no doubt that she is a competent worker. She danced as if she were a professional dancer. Write it as simple sentence. As if is our conjunction. She danced like a professional dancer. Okay, so all the exercises are done. Here the chapter is over. Review 2 is there. You solve the review 2 in your homework, and whatever points I've made you underline, please write it in your notebook and solve the exercises. Write all the answers in your notebook, because unless and until you write it, you will not be able to understand how the transformation of sentences is being done. And I'm just focusing on the answer key of exercise 14, 15 and 16. Just go through it. This is 14 and 15. You can pause the video and note down the answers. And this is 16. Solve exercise review 2 in homework. In the textbook itself, whatever fill in the blanks are there. If needed, I will just share the answer key in the next video. And now we shall start with lesson 17, that is direct and indirect speech.